am from Bangalore. I have joined HICM Institute for Fund Accounting course. I have learned about fund accounting business like equities, derivatives, bonds, debentures, and banking and financial systems as well. Apart from this, fund accounting chapters have also been taught to us like NAV calculation, NAV quotes, reconciliations, front office and middle office, like back office operational work in financial modeling. I have learned about ratio analysis, options, and IPO pricing model as well. I recommend this course to other students as well who are looking to make their career in investment banking and fund accounting domain as well. I would recommend to everyone to join HICM Institute. Thank you everyone, and thanks to the management who have covered all the chapters. Thank you all.